Èmọ̀lùkùtù pẹ́bẹ́ǹpẹ̀bẹ́ o. Ṣàdédé la gbọ́ ìròyìn pé ọmọ tuntun tí kò tí ì pé ọmọ ọjọ́ mẹ́jọ pòórá nílé ìwòsàn alábọ́dé kan, ìyẹn primary health care tí ń bẹ ládùúgbò kan tí wọ́n ń pè ní Òkè Ìyìnmí, Àdó Èkìtì nípínlẹ̀ Èkìtì. Báwo ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ọmọ tuntun fi pòórá tó di àwátì? Níbo ni ìyá ọlọ́mọ lọ? Àwọn nọ́ọ̀sì agbẹ̀bí, dókítà àtàwọn òṣìṣẹ́ tí ń bẹ lẹ́nu iṣẹ́ lákòókò ọ̀hún níbo làwọn wà tọmọ tuntun jòjòló fi dàwátì? Èyí làwọn ìbéèrè tí ń ti ẹnu ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ jáde gbígbọ́ tí wọ́n gbọ́ ìròyìn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ náà. Lówùúrọ̀ ọjọ́ Ajé ọjọ́ 4 oṣù kẹjọ ọdún yìí lọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣẹlẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ alẹ́ ọjọ́ Àìkú Sunday ọjọ́ 3 oṣù yìí ni wọ́n bí ọmọ náà tí wọ́n sì wá tì ní kùtùkùtù ìdájí ọjọ́ kejì tí í ṣọjọ́ Ajé. Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí kó ọkọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn sókè ní ilé ìwòsàn. Ìyàlẹ́nu ló ń ṣe nọ́ọ̀sì agbẹ̀bí, bàbá àti ìyá ọmọ gan. Nígbà tí bàbá ọmọ gan tórúkọ rẹ̀ ń jẹ́ Mustapha Aliyu ẹni ọdún 29 tí ó ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀, ó ní omi gbígbóná ló tán ní ilé ìwòsàn tí ìyàwó rẹ̀ ìyẹn ìyá ọmọ fi gba balùwẹ̀ lọ tóun gan alára sì lọ sí mọ́ṣáláṣí lówùúrọ̀ kùtù lọ gbàdúrà. Bóun sì ṣe ti mọ́ṣáláṣí dé padà sínú ilé ìwòsàn ọ̀hún lòun ọ̀bá rọ́mọ tuntun jòjòló àti arábìnrin kan aláboyún táwọn jọ wà ní yàrá ìgbẹ̀bí níbẹ̀ mọ́. Ní jìnnìjìnnì bá bò ó mọ́lẹ̀ bí ooru làwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wọ́ mọ́ kiri ní ilé ìwòsàn kó tó di pé àwọn lọ fi tó ọlọ́pàá létí. Ní kété táwọn ọlọ́pàá gbọ́ làwọn náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tọpinpin ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀. Èyí ló yọrí sí bí wọ́n ti ṣàwárí ọmọ tuntun ọ̀hún lọ́wọ́ arábìnrin kan tó díbọ́n bí aláboyún wá sí ilé ìwòsàn. Arábìnrin ọ̀hún ni bàbá ọmọ ń sọ nípa rẹ̀ wípé àwọn jọ wà ní yàrá ìgbẹ̀bí tóun fi lọ mọ́ṣáláṣí tóun sì padà dé tóun ò rí ọmọ ọ̀hún àti arábìnrin náà mọ́, láì mọ̀ pé ṣe lárábìnrin ọ̀hún tó pera rẹ̀ ní ayẹni foyún díbọ́n wá jí ọmọ gbé lọ ni. Kí nìdí ẹ̀ tó fi hurú ìwà yìí àti pé báwo ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ gan-an tó fi gbọ́mọ lọ? Òun àti àwọn wo ni wọ́n jọ gbìmọ̀ rẹ̀ pọ̀ tí wọ́n jí mọ́ gbé? Ṣáwọn náà sì mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀? Bá a bá gbá ṣèkèrè lágbára dandan ni kó dàtọ̀ fún ẹ lẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ àlàyé tó ṣe fáwọn ọlọ́pàá.
Deborah.
What?
Ayẹni.
What is your age?
34.
34.
34. Yes.
So tell us, what came over you that you go about this criminal act? Tell us how it happened, how you conceived the idea.
Nothing.
You said?
It's because I want the baby.
Speak louder. Please, can you speak up?
It's because I want the baby.
You need the baby?
Yes.
Right? Tell us how you planned it. That's what I want to know. Tell us how it happened the day you went to the hospital. Just take us through the journey.
When I got to the hospital, I met them. When I got to the hospital, I met them there, and we were joking. So in the morning, I was holding the baby, and I left with it.
Where did you come from?
From Ekiti.
You are a resident of Ekiti?
Yes.
So have you registered with the hospital before for antenatal or what?
No, I did not register.
You just went there that Sunday?
Yes.
Who told you that there was going to be a delivery?
Nobody.
So how did you know?
It was when I got there.
Is it that when did you go there? Okay, let me ask you this question. Did your husband know that you are pregnant?
Before he left, that was last year. He knows that I was pregnant.
You told pregnancy, him, right?
No.
You were pregnant before?
Yes.
What happened to your pregnancy?
I lost it.
When?
I lost it around March.
This year?
Yes.
Did you tell your husband that you lost your pregnancy?
I did not tell him because he's not around.
He's not around. Where is he?
He's based in UK.
UK?
Yes.
And you decided to go...
Okay, just tell us, what do you want to achieve?
You can speak in Yoruba if you don't
if you are confident in Yoruba.
Oh, yeah.
I just want to take him as mine.
You wanted to take the baby as yours?
Yes.
Are you legally married?
No, but I've done my introduction.
You did your introduction?
Yes.
When?
Last year.
Last year when?
Did you lose
November.
Or does it mean that or were you told that you cannot have your own child?
No.
Why stealing a child?
It's because I was thinking maybe if I should tell my husband that I lost the pregnancy, maybe he will leave me.
Is it your first time of stealing a baby?
Yes, this is the first. Yes, this is the first time.
Can you tell us in Yoruba? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló fà?
Go, that was on Monday morning, very early in the morning, between 5:36. A baby was stolen from a hospital here in Àdó Èkìtì. The alarm was raised, and the police will have to rush there to find out what went wrong. It was discovered that the mother just went to the convenience, and before she came back, the baby disappeared. And we discovered that there was a lady who pretended to be pregnant, awaiting delivery too, who was in the same ward, not knowing that she had this fake pregnancy, just a cover up, a deception, clear case of deception, to enable her carry her dastardly act. She left with this baby. The parents were all distraught, so worried. So we assured them that we'll do our possible best to ensure that the baby is recovered. The DPO did a very good job. He rushed. When he got to the scene of crime, he saw something that looks like a cellophane bag. He picked it up and saw cotton wood. He further looked and saw a receipt where they purchased that cotton wood from a known supermarket here in Àdó Èkìtì. So we have to rush also to that supermarket. Luckily, they have a CCTV, and it was played back. And we saw the lady and 3 other men in that CCTV. So that gave us a clue. So we started hunting for the lady. But like we always say, telling everybody that cares to listen, that security these days is everybody's business. A good informant, reliable informant, called one of our senior officers that there's a lady, he suspected that he heard that there was a news that a baby is missing, and that he saw a baby, and he suspected that baby to be a stolen child. Again, we have to move to that place, and we were able to arrest the lady and the newborn baby. And the lady is with us here now, and also the babies, Sihil and Hati. That is the story. Thank you very much.